Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. So yesterday was a bit of a crazy day. We are still pretty much sideways as far as I'm concerned, and at the moment, if you look at the oscillators on the daily, we're all over the place, so there's no real direction right now. We did gap down and then sort of run hard to the downside until the US Open, and then buyers stepped in. At the moment, though, Asian market is pretty much driving down the market again. I just want to get there. So yeah, so the futures markets at the moment, I mean, we're down 0.6% on the US futures, and the DAX is down 0.5% at the moment. So kind of same scenario as yesterday during the Asian session, and probably the European session, prices are driven down, and then the American session is going to stabilize. So that's kind of the structure at the moment, but if you look at the bigger picture, we are sideways. We do have this magnet to the downside, so I think if we do continue with what I'm seeing now going into the open, probably get a rejection off here, and or even a gap down, close this gap down here. Just getting back to the hour. If you look at that, nice strong move down and then into some form of a triangle consolidation. So possibility of something like this happening. I'm not sure I'd take that measured move, because let's just put that level in. There is a bit of a level here, and there's one a little bit further down, which I think is a little bit more. Okay, so that is possible. So we've got these three levels at the moment: 14,900, 14,916, 14,862, and 14,800. So obviously we're going to need to see a break. Let me just get rid of this. Obviously we're going to need to see a break of this triangle. But as it's looking now, we are sitting at 1520, and it's just not too far, sort of in this area here. So we are looking at like some kind of a break. So yeah, I think that's probably a likely sort of trade. I would do that on the 15 minutes, depending on the open. So you'll have a gap down, wait for the pullback. There should be some sort of a pullback, and then a rally onto, well, not a rally, but a move down onto 14,916 area. I would take profit at that point. I don't think I'd hold on beyond that. The other one is you may end up with a massive gap down, sort of gap down straight into this area. I wouldn't even bother chasing that. Wait for the pullback. Then there should be a second attempt at it. So yeah, so that's kind of short scalps on the offer. If you're watching this closely, I think that's the best way to do it. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me. Nothing really else to add to this. I think you should see this gap close at least today, which will probably form a bigger range. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.